What is up, guys? Today we are back with another video, and today we are reviewing this little trinket right here. So you might be asking, what is this? This is a pop gun. You guys may have recognized this. And you might be asking, where did you get this from? So, I live in America. And I went to the Family Dollar and I saw this, and then I was like, I should get this. But I saw something else. I was like, what are these? And then my grandpa said, well, they are pop rings. So I was like, what? Ring caps. So a cap is, you know what people be playing with nowadays, like with them little red things. That's what I have in here. All of them have gunpowder in it, so it's very flammable, and you can die basically. If like something goes wrong, and if it gets in your eyes, or if you do something wrong, or if you leave it open like halfway like this, something can go wrong. Cause look, the cap won't even in there all the way. So how was I supposed to know that? So now we're gonna test it out. Okay, so I gotta put the cap in there all the way, cause I don't want to die today or tomorrow. Okay, here we go. Okay, now you guys ready for the ultimate? Okay, it's gonna sound pretty loud, so you better basically just get ready, cause here it comes. You guys got scared. Oh, and it produces actual smoke. Look. Actual smoke. Look. No joke. Wait. So. Smoke. You guys see that? You see that? That's time to put a lot of smoke. 3, 2, 1. So, really curious how they get this to work. So, I've gone through some research and I found out air pressure. Yes, guys, this might sound a little weird, but air pressure makes the popping sound. Air pressure. So, you know how you have like a little bit of room inside for air? When, hold on, let me show you. So, when when you pull the trigger, this happens. So then when this thing comes back up, it pops it, putting air pressure into it. So then it makes that popping sound. And one other thing, it comes with this bonus. So you wanna know why they put the gunpowder in it? Spam the comment section. Why you think they put the gunpowder in it? So it's really not that complicated. It's just a little chain reaction. That's all a gun is, basically. It's a little chain reaction leading to death. That's all. I don't do dark stuff like this. Oh, and look, I'm staying at my grandma and grandpa's house, so I'm gonna do a house tour in this video too. So, bam, 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 bam. Guys, guys haven't been subscribing, so I want to see 50,000 likes and 50,000 comments. Let's see if we can get 50,000 likes, guys, and I will do another video on this bad boy. So we're gonna do a Q&A. Okay, so wait, no, I'm not gonna do a Q&A. Bugatti. Okay. I'm gonna stop. Okay. Cause I don't want you guys to April Fools me. I don't want you guys to April Fools me. So, okay, don't April Fools me next year. Don't do this to me. It is 2018. You guys should know not to April Fools anybody when it's not on April Fools. Just kidding. You can April Fools anybody whenever you want. But that's called a prank, so. I'm gonna do an April Fool's prank, so you guys get to see it. But that's so we're gonna do a little house tour. Okay, so this is the kitchen. Very small kitchen. Okay. This is the living room. That is where I was at and where my stuff is. Over there is the TV that doesn't work. So that's pretty much it. So what I'm gonna do, okay, this is my uncle's room. This is the bathroom. This is the main bedroom where my papa is sleeping and my grandma is sleeping. And my grandma is not here because she's going to get my devilish little brother. So, she's going to get my little devilish brother because he hit the teacher. Like, come on now. You do not hit a teacher. Especially when it's a woman. Like, come on. But that's all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Peace.